In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to sell your Ticketmaster tickets on Seatgeek. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to sell any tickets that you have from Ticketmaster inside of the Seatgeek website is to open it up in a web browser, either on your computer or your phone, and then sign into an account. Once you have an account properly set up, you will be able to sell any tickets that you own by selecting the sell option on the top menu or by hovering over your profile and then clicking sell. You will be redirected to this page. As you can see, in order to sell a ticket, we need to add it to our collection. We have three main options at the top: MLB tickets, in which we have to select a team; e-tickets, in which we have to upload an original PDF file and screenshots of mobile-only tickets; or an NFL barcode, which also requires us to search the team. If you are selling tickets from Ticketmaster, this is most likely the option that you are going to be using, e-tickets. So click Add e-ticket and you will be able to upload the original ticket PDF or screenshots of the ticket on mobile. As you can see, they do not accept scanned or photographed tickets. You can select Read More over here if you need reference on how the ticket should look like. As you can see, this is what you should upload. You need to upload the PDF file of an electronic ticket from a venue or vendor, as well as screenshot of the QR codes for mobile tickets. So open up the Ticketmaster app and take a screenshot that includes the QR code for your ticket. With that in hand, you will be able to go back here and upload it as you wish. As soon as it's been added to your account, you will be able to input a price and sell it directly on SeatGeek.com. In there, you will be able to browse through all the available options and people will be able to select your ticket from here. I hope I was able to help you on how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on Seatgeek. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.